So we have another parent from the Royal Institute International Girls School branch where we are conducting the Little Arts Competition 2026.
Baby.
May I know what's her name and what's the current preschool she's studying at?
Yes, her name is Advaita.
Huh?
Advaita Ashokwaran, and
Okay.
she is going to ABC School of Early Learning.
Okay. And I just wanted to know how the competition was and how Advaita, whether she enjoyed it.
Yes, I think she is enjoying it to the maximum. The only sad thing was the weather.
Weather?
Had it not rained, the outdoor setup, she would have loved it. In terms of competition, I think it's really, it's really important for kids. I have observed over here, I saw here and I observed not every kid is settling down the same way. So I think coming out and being exposed to environment like this helps them to be, more confident. It somehow strengthens their, I guess it gives them that confidence, boosts their morale as well. And it's really helpful for us as parents also to come and observe how our kids are when they are not in their comfort zones. I mostly see her at home or at her school or along with our relatives where she is very happy, she's very comfortable, she manages herself, she settles down herself. But when I bring her over here, that's when I know, okay, how my kid actually is. Right? So I think that element of coming out and being exposed to a completely alien environment would be helpful in one aspect. The other thing is definitely art is creativity. It has a lot more aspects to it. I mean, I don't know much. I'm not an expert, of course, but I think the way they can imagine, the way they perceive, suddenly a picture comes in front of them and she has to now imagine what she has seen. She connects it with different things that she has seen and observed. And that just expands her horizon, and it also has a lot to do with the motor skills and then being able to use colors, being able to play with that imagination. So all in all, I think it's really helpful.
I just wanted to know one more small thing. So coming from a different preschool, what is your view about Royal Institute International? I think you have participated with our girls school branch. What is your feeling about the branch and about the school? Do you have any impact on it? Or
Well, I think I have never been here earlier, so I really like the place.
I think she's
already
already scared.
Yeah, she's calling. No, I told her not to play there because there was water earlier.
But then she has
so
started
she just wants to check again.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think I love the place. I really like the place. I live a bit far.
Okay.
So, it's a bit of a distance for me. But I really like the place. It's a huge space. And the playing area is also pretty good. I could not see the I saw the classrooms as well, the small chairs. I even saw the washrooms.
Okay.
So I see that's really friendly to kids.
Yes.
So I really like the place.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your honesty.
Thank you very much. Thanks.